From the Mumbai studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Ladies and gentlemen, on the day the Bihar Chief Minister has recommended a CBI investigation into the Sushant Singh Rajput case, Maharashtra's Chief Minister's son and State Minister Aditya Thackeray has issued a statement, and Aditya Thackeray says that we should not raise questions against the Mumbai police. I ask Aditya, why can't we? Why shouldn't we, Aditya? When the Mumbai police has openly ignored the most glaring evidence, we shall. Here are the facts, and then we debate.
They have been forced to take the auto, denied crucial files in the case and forcefully quarantined. The non-cooperation from the Mumbai police has forced the family to demand CBI investigation.
मुख्यमंत्री जी, क्या पिताजी सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के उन्होंने आपको अप्रोच किया है सीबीआई प्रोब के लिए?
या हमने तो पहले से ही कहा था कि उन लोगों ने एफआईआर दर्ज किया है और ये बिहार पुलिस का कर्तव्य ड्यूटी है, लीगल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, उसके आधार पर इन्वेस्टिगेशन करें और अगर उनको का सुझाव होगा कि हाँ सीबीआई में इसको रिकमेंड किया जाए तो हम लोग तत्काल कर देंगे। तो हम पहले ही से कहा था आपको। तो आज डीजीपी से बातचीत हुई है उन लोगों की और डीजीपी को उन लोगों ने अपना कंसेंट दिया है कि हमारा सीबीआई से इंक्वायरी इसका हो जाए जो उन्होंने एफआईआर दर्ज किया। तो उसी आधार पर अब सीबीआई इंक्वायरी के लिए पूरा का पूरा उसके लिए रिकमेंडेशन यहाँ से किया जा रहा है और आज ही वो कर दिया जाएगा।
The file has moved fast. The central government has received the file. And Riya Chakraborty, who wanted a CBI investigation till 17 days back, is now backing Mumbai police investigation. The same Mumbai police that has used every trick in the book to block the Bihar police.
नॉन कॉपरेशन का सवाल ही नहीं उठता। लीगली हम एग्जामिन कर रहे हैं कि जुरिस्डिक्शन उनका बनता है कि नहीं बनता। हम उसके हिसाब से जो भी हमारे पास करेक्ट लीगल, मैंने कहा कि मेरी जानकारी के हिसाब से तो जुरिस्डिक्शन हमारी बनती है। अगर उनके पास कोई जुरिस्डिक्शन के बारे में कोई विशेष अधिकार है तो हमको बताया जाए। हम नॉन कॉपरेट नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम लीगल कार्रवाई कर रहे हैं, प्रोफेशनल इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रहे हैं।
Wednesday will witness a high-pitched battle in the Supreme Court. And all eyes are on the top court to ensure justice when there are multiple attempts being made to block the investigation. Let's debate.
Big panel on this, viewers. You cannot block the investigation in any case, and tomorrow is the big Supreme Court verdict, and today everybody's gone completely desperate. In fact, the most interesting development here is that Riya Chakraborty today, Subrashta Riya Chakraborty, who till on the 16th said, I was writing to Amit Shah saying, I want a CBI investigation. Today is saying, we cannot allow a CBI investigation. Riya Chakraborty has told all her lawyers to do everything possible to block a CBI investigation, which is incredible. Complete 180-degree U-turn, Shweta, by Riya Chakraborty. 16, she says, I want a CBI investigation. And now she says we cannot allow the CBI to investigate the matter. And when we ask whether this is suspicious, we are told, no, we are the motivated party. Shweta, first I'd like your comments on this as well as Aditya Thackeray's statement.
Please note, Arnab, first thing, Sushant died on 14th of June. There was absolutely no statement till the 16th of July. For the first time when she came forward, tagged Amit Shah ji and said that please take the probe to CBI. And
Yeah.
No, please hand it over to Mumbai police. Now coming back to Aditya. Why did he
come out with a press statement? Did you or did anybody take his name? And if at all he has come forward, he needs to answer a couple of questions. They have the steering wheel of the police, and they put the police under unnecessary suspicion. Because the police has been acting weirdly. Why did they have to home quarantine an IPS officer when nobody else from the flight was home quarantined on the same day? Second question is, tell me, why did Aditya Thackeray delete all the tweets from on the 13th, which was his birthday, and 14th from all the Bollywood people? Why did he delete that? People are seeing. Look at Superstar League, the cricket league that he endorses. Who are the people? The same people that we are talking about. Dina Maurya.
Surendra Chauhan is on the debate. The debate opens up right now. Surendra Chauhan, what's your problem?
All of these, we know that there have been parties after parties in the lockdown, and people have been attending these parties.
Having special immunity.
Now, we want to ask,
are you suggesting that they should not be quarantined? These are the MHA guidelines. If you are traveling from one state to other state, you have to follow the protocol.
I'm asking you, why were no other people
are the IPS officers are having special immunity?
Only one person was quarantined. And in Vikas Dubey's case, when police people came from UP, why were they not quarantined?
You are only highlighting
Kerala medical team, the entire set of doctors came by. Why were they not quarantined?
Are also duty bound.
The medical team was sent from the center from Delhi. Delhi has so many cases. Why were they not quarantined?
Troops moving from one destination to other destination.
Why do selective? And that puts the suspicion. Your home minister
there is no selection.
Fraction of half a day he comes on television and tells...
G. Radhakrishnan is on the debate with Devesh Chandra Thakur, and Ashok Chaudhary is a minister from Bihar. Ashok Chaudhary is a Bihar cabinet minister, and G. Radhakrishnan, who leans towards the Shiv Sena, is on the debate with him. A minute, please, a minute. Mr. Radhakrishnan, my question to you is, why is Uddhav Thackeray issuing a statement? And Ashok Chaudhary, can I start by asking you, Nitish Kumar has now officially demanded a CBI investigation. Why has he asked officially for a CBI investigation today rather than letting the Bihar police investigate, which was his position till yesterday?
First of all, I must...
First, Mr. Radhakrishnan, let Ashok Chaudhary reply, then I'll come to you. Yeah.
Okay.
Arnav, first of all, I thank you for the effort your team and you have taken for Sushant's justice. Your question is why Chief Minister has given official inquiry to CBI. In fact, CM has already told 3-4 days back publicly there was a lot of demand for CBI inquiry from Bihar and for the political party in Bihar on people who were fan of Sushant all over India. So CM has given a publicly statement that if the victim father will ask for any inquiry, CBI inquiry, we'll give it. And today Sushant's father asked for the CBI inquiry. Yeah. And yesterday what has happened in Maharashtra, the people who have gone for the inquiry, the treatment what Maharashtra police has given to the people for the police officer of Bihar. So definitely we were on fix. The Maharashtra police was not cooperating and people were looking for justice. So what was the option? CM cannot sit like an ideal duck. So he has gone for a CBI inquiry.
Mr. Radhakrishnan, why is Aditya Thackeray issuing the statements? He says, there has been a personal attack on me. There is an attack on the Thackeray family. Who is said, I mean, is he feeling guilty about something? Who mentioned Thackeray family? We are talking about who killed Disha. He's talking about Thackeray family. We are talking about who killed Sushant. He's talking about Thackeray family. We're not talking about Thackeray family. What's going on, Mr. Radhakrishnan?
Arnab, first of all, I would convey my condolences to the father of Sushant Singh Rajput. Secondly, Aditya Saab is not only the Yuva Sena, 30 years old Yuva Sena leader. He is the minister. He is a minister in Maharashtra government as the responsible minister of Bihar.
Everyone
talking about the Bihar, about Sushant Singh, the minister, Mr. Aditya Thackeray wanted to convey his message that his father, Uddhavji Thackeray, the chief minister, already told that inquiry, a detailed inquiry will be made, and if anyone has some evidence, proof, or any witness, they can come and report to the police. The government is ready to take action. The government is taking already.
Who has alleged that Aditya has a connection to either Sushant's death or Disha's death? Have I said it? Have I taken his name? Have I said that Aditya has a link to Sushant's death or Disha's death? He is making the... Have I said it, Mr. Raj? No. You may be a Shiv Sainik, but I am saying, he is saying Aditya Thackeray is saying Mumbai police is great. The police has a global reputation. Who is asking him? Why is he giving these certificates?
What Aditya Thackeray ji told?
Why is Aditya Thackeray trying to give certificates to the police?
He said, don't play dirty politics. And unconfirmed reports, speculations, all these things, he said it's not.
I am asking you, Aditya. I am asking.
Political.
Okay, Subrashta is smiling. Aditya Thackeray should be demanding an FIR for Disha's murder. Has he done that?
Arnab, first of all, I am really elated that on Rakhi, millions of youngsters across the country pleaded to the central leadership, the state leadership. Finally, Nitish Kumarji took cognizance, handed over the case to the CBI. Mr. Chaudhary, I would like to congratulate the Chief Minister. Second point, now the Shiv Sainik who is sitting over here has been giving us spinning wheels of stories and telling us how fantastic Aditya Thackeray is. I don't understand, how is Aditya Thackeray a part of this conversation? Why should he be a part of the conversation?
Correct.
Did we ask him to be a part of the conversation? Secondly...
No, he came in uninvited.
Yes, absolutely uninvited. Secondly, some gentlemen on the show said that, a lot of protocols were being followed and, therefore, Vinay Tiwari, the IPS officer from my state, has been, quarantined. I would like to ask him, when Sushant Singh Rajput's father lodged a complaint, in fact, I asked this question to the gentleman from Shiv Sena. When Mr. KK Singh filed a complaint with the Mumbai police a month or so prior to Sushant's death, did the Mumbai police follow the protocol and provide him with security? Did he get in touch with KK Singh and tell him that, we are taking care of your son, you shouldn't bother? Did the Mumbai police act on the FIR, or I hear that the FIR hasn't even been registered?
No such request was made. That is a statement of DC.
You are a politician. You are supposed to answer to the people. And you must understand that no protocol has been followed by the Mumbai police. Only when it came to harassing our brilliant officers from Bihar, you took cognizance. Do not do this drama on national television. Please tell Aditya Thackeray that if he has any guts in him, if he has any iota, and I as a youngster is challenging him, if he has any iota of shame left in him, after he himself has confessed to...
I don't know why you are dragging the name of Aditya Saab. Aditya Thackeray ji, his family,
Subrashta,
grandson of Balasaheb Thackeray ji. There is a legacy. There is a legacy. You cannot call Aditya Thackeray ji as it is. Is there any record, single record about any this thing, any bad name, any record? Nothing. You are all dragging his name, and you say he is coming and giving some explanation.
Shweta Shalini,
he has to do that.
Why is Aditya Thackeray getting into this?
Why did he issue the...
Shweta, I find it incredible. Shweta, one point. Aditya Thackeray has come into it. Now he is complaining Devesh Chandra Thakur. I am saying, look at Aditya's statement. I am still restraining myself on this. Oh my God, Aditya, we are so scared. We are so scared, Aditya. I wonder what you will do when you don't restrain yourself. Please tell me. Don't be under the impression that you can openly slander the government and the Thackeray family. Are? When did I say? Did I say, Shweta, at any time, Subrashta, do you remember me ever saying that the murder of Disha and Sushant have anything to do with Aditya Thackeray or the Thackeray family? He's come into it himself. And then he's saying that I am restraining myself. What are you doing, Aditya?
बहुत पुरानी कहावत है, चोर की दाढ़ी में तिनका रहता है. I'm quite surprised why he came openly and gave that statement.
Yeah, why did he? PK Jain, tell me one thing. Why did he? Why did he? Can someone explain to me, PK Jain, what are you saying, PK?
Entire media is
Can I select counter-restraint now and give a couple of facts?
He has to say what exactly, why did he give a statement like this? But insinuations were certainly being made about a young minister from Shiv Sena, etc., etc.
Is he the only young minister from Shiv Sena?
He owes an explanation. I have no idea. You have to ask him.
From Shiv Sena old?
Probably Shubhrashta ji, the only young minister from Shiv Sena who attends daily parties. Maybe that's why.
Who said, sir, that he is the only young minister in Sena who is being insinuated? Or is it because Aditya is not getting into news cycle these days that he's doing all this drama so that 9 to 10 slot can be, booked for his communication regarding him?
Why does, instead of this, I ask here, shouldn't Aditya Thackeray say, instead of issuing statements that I'm restraining myself, which sounds like, I don't know what he's trying to do. It sounds strange to me. Instead of that, Devesh, Aditya Thackeray should be saying that so many facts have been put out on Republic Network and now the Mumbai police is messing it up. The matter should go to the CBI. I think that is more important to try to make it a Maharashtra versus Bihar issue. Devesh Thakur, what do you think? Devesh Thakur. Devesh Thakur is a senior politician, MLC from Bihar. Yes, Devesh Thakur. Yeah.
Yes, Arnab, I agree 100% with Honorable Ashok Chaudhary, who is a minister from Bihar.
Yeah.
Because I would like to tell you that if you
Oh, audio's bad. Let's fix it. Let's fix it. Oh God, bad audio. Devesh ji, I'm just trying. Let me correct it. Saurabh, you want to take that, Saurabh? You want to take that, Saurabh?
Yeah. Arnab, I think, it's naive. Yeah, Arnab, it's naive on the part of Aditya Thackeray to get into this entire narrative. He's somebody, if he's a young politician, he'll win.
Why has he gone into this?
Points from some of the young supporters who today, he should see what is the pattern on social media.
Rizwan.
On social media, everybody wants justice for Sushant. Aditya Thackeray should realize which way the flow is.
In fact, I think
should be supporting a CBI probe.
In fact, I think Aditya.
For Sushant Singh Rajput.
I think Aditya Rizwan should.
He's causing collateral damage for.
No. Aditya should say. Aditya should say that it appears to us that Disha was murdered, and Aditya Rizwan should demand that all the people who have attended any party between, say, the 5th and the 13th, 14th, in which Disha was present, all the people should be interrogated by the CBI. That would be more proper, don't you think so? Don't you think so?
I'm not supporting any political party. I'll talk very neutral and as per the point of law. If there is any insinuation or if there is any, kind of suggestion that there's somebody's involvement in it, and if the gentleman wants to come clean out of it, I think he should participate in the investigation.
Who's alleged that he is involved in what? Subhrashta, I don't know.
I do not know.
Who's alleged?
I don't know.
Who's alleged?
I don't know.
Who's alleged?
I think on the internet there were some insinuations being made, and if he feels on the internet. But anyway, I'm not supporting any political party. No, I'm not supporting any political party. I'm only talking law. So let me just talk law. Let me just finish. Just let me finish this, please.
And neutrality. There is a conversation regarding a young minister in Maharashtra. Why should any random youngster get up and say, I shouldn't be a part of this conversation? Did we
I don't disagree with you. I do not disagree with you. I'm not disagreeing with any of you all. All that I'm saying.
Activists on ground or people who are writing on social media, did they ever tag Aditya Thackeray and say that you are being, accused of something?
No, I'll tell you what. I'm not the spokesperson for any political party.
But please answer me as an objective individual yourself.
Yes. So let me finish this. I'm totally agreeing with you. I'm suggesting and I'm clearly saying that nobody should interfere in delivery of justice. And if they feel that
you're making a very bland comment, you're not on the case. You're not on the case. You're being extra safe. Shweta Shalini is on the debate. Here on Republic, we talk straight. You're not talking straight.
If the intention was very clear.
Yes, Shweta.
If the intention was very clear, he would have actually come forward to say, yes, we will hand it over to the CBI.
Correct.
If the intention was very clear, he would have probably said, yes, we will investigate further. If the intention was very, very clear, they would have supported Bihar police like multiple people, Mumbaikars.
Can I discuss a point of law, Arnab, because these are all connected with law questions.
Discuss a point of truth with me for a change.
Yes, I will discuss
Mumbai
truth
police
under
working till now.
Yes.
I'll discuss the truth under the provisions of law. See, DSP Act is very clear that, under Section 6 of the DSP Act, the CBI can participate in the investigation. There is a process to be followed. And I totally agree with you, with all of you rather. And
why you are asking for CBI probe?
Why we are asking for the CBI probe?
The government.
What is your question? What is your question? Why are we asking for a probe? Okay. So Mr. Shiv Sena supporter Radhakrishnan. Radhakrishnan, I'll tell you one thing. Radhakrishnan, you ask a question. Why do you repeat it 5 times?
Yes.
I have above average intelligence. Listen to me. I can understand your question. I can understand your question, Radhakrishnan. You are asking me why have we asking for a CBI probe? Very good question.
The aggrieved party has the right.
Very good question. I will ask you. Listen. Arren, you're repeating yourself. It's very irritating, Radhakrishnan. I'm answering. I'll give you a nice straightforward.
I'm not repeating. According to reports, the actor was suffering from clinical depression. No one is talking about that.
Whose report? Riya Chakrabarti's report.
I don't think we should allow on the show at all.
Venom on the government.
Is under investigation.
You cannot tolerate government performing.
Okay, Shweta, Subrasha, 1 minute. Shweta, yes.
You want to divert the attention.
BJP versus Sena, Shweta.
CCTV started working automatically. Basically,
go and file a case. If you have any
people
proof,
of India have no
if you are an eyewitness,
go and
stand in front of the Bandra police. So national channel, you are talking
reduced Mumbai police to a joke in front of the country.
Young minister,
this is the same
you are
Mumbai police
talking
which
about
has
the
done so
grandson
many
of
good
Hindu
things.
Samrat
We have such
Balasaheb
great
Thackeray.
officers. And
It
what
cannot
have
be
you
tolerated
done?
at all.
You are the people
This is
behind
something
that.
quite this
and
is
you are
wrong.
the people responsible.
I
That's
say
why
that
you have
this
to come
is
out and release
instigated by
press statements
BJP.
like this.
Your
Because
union
at
government,
your
it is
behest,
instigated
Mumbai
by the
police is
union
working.
government.
How
and
come
you
the
are all
CCTVs
coming in a
have started
national
working
channel
automatically?
and
Tell me, why is the call logs not
damaging
being
the image
tracked?
of
Why
the
have you
minister,
not
a young
called
minister.
Arnab Goswami and asked him what is the proof that you
police
have?
diaries
Because
can be
you have no
called before the High
intention of
Court.
solving the case.
A petition needs to be filed in the High
You
Court
are
and
killing
everything
the
will be taken
evidence.
before the
That's
High
about
Court.
it.
I will share my evidence with the CBI. I don't trust the Mumbai police one bit. Not in this case.
All the police diaries can be taken before
If the Mumbai police calls me, I will give a written statement that I don't trust that the evidence that I give will be safe with the hands of the Mumbai police.
And who sits on the chair? And he needs to take responsibility of that. We can't lose trust.
Viewers, this is a very sensitive case right now. I want everyone to be careful of what you're saying. They're asking me, why are you asking for a CBI investigation? Tell me, Mr. Radhakrishnan, why does CBI, the Shiv Sena every time only ask for a CBI investigation? Did you not ask for a JPC probe to Rafale? When Shiv Sena leader Neelam Gore on 6 December, following the encounter of 4 accused in the Hyderabad gang rape case, said, I want a CBI investigation. Right? April 2018, Shiv Sena, within 2 weeks of the killing of 2 leaders, Sanjay Kotkar and Basant Dubey, Uddhav Thackeray said, I want a CBI investigation. Even in the Chidambaram case, Sanjay Raut said, I want a CBI investigation, CBI ED investigation. In every case, the Shiv Sena is the #1 party in India to ask for a CBI investigation. You are asking me, Mr. Radhakrishnan? You ask for a CBI investigation even if the weather changes in Mumbai. Even if the weather changes in Mumbai, tomorrow if the monsoons come a day late, you ask for a CBI investigation.
I understand.
You don't know, 1 minute. You are asking me? You are asking me?
I could understand the feeling of the father. He may be
You are asking me?
But bipolar disorder.
What? Who said bipolar disorder?
Sushant Singh had a bipolar disorder.
What is he saying?
No. Subrashta is on the debate. Subrashta.
Radhakrishnan ji.
Subrashta and Shweta, please.
Do you understand something as basic as this, that when an investigation is going on, you as a member of the ruling establishment cannot come on national television and say Sushant Singh Rajput was clinically depressed or had bipolar? Do you have some basic common sense in your head?
There is a very clear police investigation record. The department, the Mumbai police is going on doing the job. They are not sitting silent.
He was murdered with a strategy.
Commissioner of Police Mumbai, he declared everything. They go on
common sense to hand it over to the CBI.
Probing the case. You don't understand that.
I asked two specific questions to you, Radhakrishnan ji. Did the
Mumbai police
I saw the entire press conference. When did he declare that he was bipolar?
There is no need for hiding anything.
Please
where is the need to hide something?
When
He's
you
an young
answer
actor.
that question,
he is loved by the youngsters of this country.
I will say nothing. I will say nothing. Someone sent me a message, and those who are smart will understand. There is a Lady Macbeth syndrome which is showing out, they said. Someone told me right now that there is a Lady Macbeth syndrome which is reflecting in this case of late. I think people should investigate and understand what I'm talking about. Fact of the matter is this out here. So many details. Surendra Chauhan, you're on your back foot. Even today, look at the body language of PK Jain. Look at Kush Sharma today, viewers. All the aggression has disappeared. Look at them, Sumit. All their aggression has disappeared today. These were the same people.
You people are causing aspersions on a very honest police force in Mumbai.
I am only listening to you peacefully, Arnav. Till the time you give me a
Mumbai
chance
police
to
has
speak.
solved many tough cases.
Okay, so here's a question to you, Mr. Jain.
Police was good.
Mr. Jain, come into the debate. Mr. Jain, come into the debate.
Yes, please.
Mr. Jain, a friend spoke to Sushant for 22 minutes on the 9th of June.
And it was never about that. It is about justice to a 74-year-old man. It is about justice to a youth icon who's dead. And the entire country and the youth of the entire country want justice for him. It is not about, please, for God's sake, do not...
I'm asking you why not.
This police, the one state police versus the other state police.
No,
What is the FIR? Under which section Bihar police has registered a case?
You know what political pressures can do to police system.
Are you aware under which section Bihar police has registered a case of 15
Okay, for 5 minutes, I'll open up. 1 minute, just 1 minute.
You're talking about justice.
The question is simple.
You're talking about justice.
Mr. Jain, the question is simple. The question is simple. What are we debating? Mr. Jain will now debate with Ashok Chaudhary, Senior Cabinet Minister of Bihar.
In Supreme Court.
Mr. Jain, the question before us today, this evening, is very simple. Can the Mumbai police be trusted with the investigation? I am saying no, because the Mumbai police yesterday declared that Disha committed suicide at 3 a.m. instead of investigating the circumstances around what was called a suicide. So I believe the Mumbai police cannot investigate, and I'm 100% sure that the highest court of the country will also have this view. My second question is, how can the Mumbai police be trusted with the investigation, Mr. Jain? And I want you to argue with me. Sandeep Singh, is not considered, Sandeep Singh should be considered a key suspect. Right? He should tell us who the quote-unquote big guys at the penthouse which Disha went to were. PK Jain.
Arnav, my only contention all along has been that I am not privy to the contents of investigations being conducted by Mumbai police, neither in Disha's death nor in Sushant's death. In the absence of anything else, I can only dare say that I have been talking only on legal points. That the FIR registered by Bihar
Sir, on legal points also.
It should have been, listen to me, the FIR should have been transferred to Mumbai
No,
police.
sir, that is the same argument you've been using for a week. Same argument you are using for a week. My question is...
I'm only talking of law points.
Sir, I'm talking about legal point also. Okay, Ashok Chaudhary wants to respond to you. Ashok Chaudhary, yeah.
In this case,
Ashok Chaudhary would like to respond to you.
I
Tomorrow the
want
game
to-
will be very clear.
Just 1 minute.
Legal battle plays out.
Ashok Chaudhary, I'm coming to you, Sumit. Sumit, 1 minute. Ashok Chaudhary and then Sumit. Yeah, Ashok Chaudhary.
Arnav, I want to say to Mr. Jain that victim father, they are asking what right the state government has and why they have why they are going for an investigation. The victim father has filed an FIR after seeing 1 week of Maharashtra government's probe that they are not going in the right direction. And after that FIR, which has been lodged in Patna, the police reached to Maharashtra, and what treatment Maharashtra police has given to these police officers, everybody is aware about it. And after that, when Maharashtra government has not cooperated with the Patna police, then government has gone for a CBI inquiry because the people of India wanted to know that what has happened to Sushant Singh Rajput. What's happened is, if they wanted to have an investigation, proper investigation, we are not...
Please have your legal facts clear.
A few facts. No, 1 minute. Sumit, there's a debate going on between Ashok Chaudhary and him, so let this complete. You're talking about legal facts. 1 more minute. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir. Mr. Jain, can the Mumbai police be trusted with the investigation when the Bihar police has filed an FIR, the ED has filed a case, but the Mumbai police has not even filed an FIR yet? The Mumbai police has not even filed an FIR yet?
Initially, Bihar police was not filing an FIR.
Bihar police is not supposed to file. Let me
It is at the behest of Bihar government that the FIR was filed in Bihar.
Sir, the Mumbai police cannot be trusted with the investigation.
5 sections applied. There are 5 sections applied. Section
approached the Mumbai police on 25th February, warning of a threat to the life of Sushant. The Mumbai police knowingly did nothing.
Because tomorrow,
the Mumbai police did nothing.
They had no jurisdiction to register an FIR.
No longer legal and technical.
I'm sorry, Mr. Sumit, what are you saying?
This issue has transcended the boundaries of legality. This issue
Sumit,
has
come again.
transcended the boundaries of
One minute.
technicality.
Yeah, thank you. Sumit, so for 2 hours to 1 minute. Sumit, no, it's very much within the realm of legality that the CBI will come into the case.
And technicality, let
Fine
me
enough.
tell you.
I have no issues. I have told you repeatedly that I have no issues about
1 minute, Subrashta, wait. No, it's very much within the realm of legality and technicality. The fact of the matter is the material evidence I have with me. Sumit, what are you saying? Sumit, 1 second, Subrashta, wait, Sumit.
I have something else to make a point. Yes. My point is, A, Supreme Court can tomorrow order a CBI investigation provided Sushant's father makes a case that he has no faith in Mumbai police. B,
he's already said that.
The reason why
1 minute. He's already said that. He's already said that.
The Bihar
He has already said that. He has 1 minute. You did not watch. Then you are the wrong foot. I show you. Sumit, wait a minute. Sumit, listen. Now listen. Yesterday, at 5:30 to be precise, the father of Sushant Singh released a video statement on Republic in which he said that the Mumbai police knew and did not do anything. He expressed complete lack of confidence in the Mumbai police. Allow me to complete my point. He made specific points. No, Sumit, don't stop me now. Don't let me complete my point. I don't want to know whether I'm fair or not fair. I must be allowed to complete my point.
Please, go ahead.
Yeah. He has said at 5:30 to be precise.
They need to.
Sumit, I have taken your point and thrown it back at you, and you're not letting me speak on my own program now. Please stop. I was listening patiently. He has said, I have no trust.
Please go ahead.
He has said the Mumbai police let me down. He has said the Mumbai police is not investigating the matter. He has said my son could have been saved if the Mumbai police had acted. He has said that I have put out messages, I have appealed, I have requested, and nothing has been done. He has said the Mumbai police cannot be trusted with the investigation. He has said that the inconsistencies are very much there. And you know what Parambir Singh, Mumbai Police Commissioner, is doing? He is using a statement 45 days old, taken right after the cremation of his son when there were no facts, and trying to use it against Sushant's father. How insensitive is that? Do you think the Supreme Court tomorrow, Sumit, is going to say that a father who has no faith in the investigating agency will be force-fed the fake investigation of a police force that has no credibility as far as this case is concerned. Do you think the Supreme Court of India will say, Mr. Singh, your son died, but we don't care. On a legality and a technicality, you will have to suffer the fact that you will not get justice in the case. You will be denied justice in the case, and we, the Supreme Court of India, will allow it. I am absolutely sure the Supreme Court will not.
I totally agree with you, Arnab, here. My point from day one, what I'm saying is, and in fact, if you see my debates about 5 days ago also, I've always maintained that Sushant's family needs to make an argument before the Supreme Court, the reasons why they do not have faith in Mumbai police, the reason why Mumbai police is guilty of dereliction of duty, and in that event, now that Patna is already transferred to CBI, Supreme Court will be within its jurisdiction to merge both the investigations and transfer to the CBI. That has been my consistent view. All I was saying is that Patna had no jurisdiction to investigate this matter, and Bihar government was cognizant of this aspect, and that is why on the eve of Supreme Court hearing, they transferred the case to CBI, because tomorrow the Supreme Court...
No, 1 minute. No, I brought the fact to you. No, 1 minute.
CBI, I've got a CBI case, and please transfer both investigations to CBI.
I'm saying today, listen, I'll tell you one thing. I'm so proud of my team of reporters. They have got today's Disha Salian's death certificate, and the provisional death certificate of Disha Salian says the date of death is 9/6/2020. But the date and time of post-mortem, Vedji, please come in on this, you're a police officer. Date and time of post-mortem is 11/06/2020. Why is there a 2 to 3 day delay in the post-mortem? These are facts I'm putting out. Ved Bhushan, did you hear me there? And I'm being told instead, no, listen, Mumbai police is telling you that Disha's...
I can hear you.
Yeah. Yes, Ved. Yes, Ved.
Yes, sir. Now I am listening you very well. मैं आपको आसाराम केस बताता हूँ. What happened in Asaram case? This case was registered in Delhi, and later on it was transferred to Jodhpur, where it was tried, and Baba Asaram was convicted. This case is the same type of case being investigated and tried by the Bihar police. There is no increment evidence against any accused person so far, nor there is direct evidence, no eyewitness, no Prime Minister PM report, now no Visra report. There is nothing suggests to recommend that it was a murder case. It was so far a purely hanging case.
Wait, listen. I know that the Mumbai police and you would like us to believe that it was a simple suicide. Would you agree today that with so many facts, you put out a suicide theory peddled about a man who was talking others out of suicide? Viewers, I present before you an important point. Today, Sushant's choreographer friend, Ganesh Hiwarkar, he said that Sushant talked him out of any such situation. Ganesh Hiwarkar said that Sushant was helping others come out of suicidal situations.
Arnab, we also want that Sushant को न्याय मिलना चाहिए. हम दिल्ली में debate.
You have made up your mind.
कैसे न्याय मिले? But all these are hearsay evidence. There is no concrete evidence.
What do you define as hearsay? So much evidence that I have with me, including evidence against the Mumbai police. Why was Siddharth Pitani, who was in the house on the day Sushant's death happened, allowed to leave the city? Where is the cook Keshav? Where does Samuel Miranda live? Is the cook Neeraj lying about how Sushant died when he says that the body which was hanging was tilted when they opened the door? I asked the Supreme Court of India, do you believe when the evidence out here is that the body was hanging tilted? Viewers, here you have a situation where you're being told by the investigators that the body of Sushant after dying has defied the laws of physics. We are supposed to accept all this? Kush, what is the role of Sandeep Singh? When Sandeep Singh's name comes up 50 times in a conversation that Sushant has with a friend where he talks about going public with a press conference on what happened to Disha? You think these questions are being asked by me alone?
No, this is a case whereby
I'll tell you one last thing.
No, this is the question which is in everybody's mind and in everybody's. Yeah.
The whole country is asking these questions now.
There's one important.
Then why shouldn't the CBI probe happen?
Can I come in?
This is one thing, Arnab, tomorrow is a big day whereby the territorial jurisdiction will be decided.
It's not about territorial jurisdiction. I have said truth has no territory, truth has no jurisdiction.
I mean, that is going to
Truth has no jurisdiction, truth has no territory. You are telling me that the family will have to suffer the Mumbai police investigation because of a territorial right? You have a territorial right over falsehood, then who has the territorial right over truth? If others have a territorial right over falsehood, if the Mumbai police has a territorial right over falsehood, my lordships of the Supreme Court, please hear me loud and clear tonight. I wish I could come to court. I wish I could speak to you. I wish I was a lawyer. I wish I could take the black robes. I wish I could come as a citizen of India before you lordships. Every time we have put out at least 75 pieces of evidence that there is a concealment of truth in this case. And my lordships, I'm telling you today on behalf of everyone, all my viewers today, that the only answer given to us today is territorial, my lordships. I'm being told truth is territorial, my lordships. I'm being told that the facts will be territorial. I'm being told that the Mumbai police has the sovereign right to do as it pleases. I am asking you, my lordships, does the Mumbai police have the sovereign right to do as it pleases? Does the Mumbai police's sovereign right include the right to override the sentiments of the family? My lordships, I'm asking you. My lordships, I'm asking you today, a day before the matter goes to the court. I hope I'm not extending my brief, but as a citizen of India, I appeal to the lordships of the Supreme Court. I am asking you, my lordships, I'm asking all the lordships, I'm asking all the legal luminaries in this case, I'm asking you today, there is so much evidence and we are being told territorial rights. Viewers, we are not a colony of falsehoods. We will not be told anymore, the free people of an independent nation will not be told that we have a right to carry out an investigation as we please, overriding the sentiments of the family, supporting a people who are under the scanner.
But Arnab, the
at a time when it has been proven that the same police for 4 months knew and did nothing in this specific case. And fourthly, please allow me, when there is evidence that it is not one death, my lordships, but two, possibly more, when 2 young lives have been lost, and they are the representatives of a generation. A whole generation is calling out for justice in this case, and we are being told by politicians, Mumbai versus Patna, Bihar versus Maharashtra. No, the whole country is asking for justice, and I'm being told one more thing. I'm being told today by the commissioner of the Mumbai police, my lordships, that he has recorded a statement of the family. My lordships, ask the police commissioner, under what circumstances were the statements recorded? My lordships, ask the Mumbai police, my lordships, and ask them that at what circumstance did you take the father's statement? And ask the Mumbai police commissioner, Parambir Singh, my lordships, that a distraught and grieving 74-year-old father of a 34-year-old young man is told, do you have the final evidence? Come, stamp the paper so I can use it against you. And 45 days later, Shweta and Subhrashta, we are being told that same paper will be used against the same family. There has never been as ghastly an interpretation of sovereign rights of the police as in this case. This is a case, my lordships, of the misuse of the right, the gross and complete misuse of that right, where you take your rights, snatch away the rights of the people to protest. And today, the same family is being told, listen, we have the sovereign right, we've decided, the narrative is what we will set. Well, I want to tell you, my lordships, that the narrative which has been set by the Mumbai police is the narrative of falsehoods which has come crashing down. And I want to tell you, my lordships, we have no vested interest. We believe we speak for the people. And we will therefore hope and pray that the Supreme Court of India will hear the voice of the people. But if this becomes, Mr. Jain, about, listen, crime happened in Mumbai, we will say it's suicide, even if nothing connects it to suicide, because crime happened in Mumbai, we'll do as we please, then what faith will people have in this country? I have said my piece, Mr. Jain. I have said my piece.
all your rhetoric, Arnab,
there is no rhetoric at all. This is my investigation.
This does not justify the Bihar police investigating this case. I have maintained from the beginning itself that the case can be
The Bihar police has asked for it to be taken to the CBI.
I have never objected to the case.
CBI.
I want to ask you a question.
CBI.
Bihar police cannot investigate
CBI.
this matter. Yes.
CBI.
Fine enough. I have no issues on that at all. My only issue has been that Bihar police has no business to investigate this case in Mumbai.
The entire country has been asking CBI inquiry. It is you
I have
people
never
who have
objected to
converted
it.
this into
Sir, I have a
Mumbai
technical
I have never
question for
objected
you.
to the CBI investigation. I have never said that the CBI investigation should not be conducted. Shweta,
Can I
I am
ask
very categorical in that. Arnab has been whatever I have stated is all on record.
luminary. I want to understand from you a basic thing.
To say that at no cost will the investigation be handed over to CBI. Did he say that? Yes or no? Please ask Mr. Radhakrishnan. He came on record to say at no cost will it be handed over to CBI.
No, that is, they have a right to say that. It's the state government. They have a right to say that. It is the state government's discretion whether they want to hand it over or
at
not.
no cost.
I am talking about myself
at the cost
personally.
of justice. A 74-year-old man.
Government has its own
whose
reasons.
only son
Government
got killed
has its own reasons. The government may refuse to hand over the case
have
to
no
CBI.
place. India is governed, commanded by
Sentiments, rights, truth has no...
Sentiments have no place.
Yeah.
Emotions have no place.
What did you do?
Rule of law is there.
This is the rule of law.
Commanded by rule of
No.
law.
This is the discretion of the government.
Can I please ask
This
a
is the
basic
discretion of the
question
government
to the legal
whether they want to hand over the case to CBI or otherwise. If they don't want to hand it over, there are other ways.
FIRs can be
There
filed
are
in certain cases.
insinuations that
We will look at
No, that is only cases of financial bungling where the offence has taken place across borders.
Service officer, whoever he is, from whatever
Not
territory he
Shweta, not in
belongs
this
to,
kind of a case.
his
Not
job
in a
is
case
to
of murder,
investigate
not
the
in a
case. He is
case
not
of
a politician.
attempted suicide, not in a case
Please
of attempted
understand.
suicide. Not in these cases.
Arnab, please understand that Mumbai Police Commissioner is also a government officer. He is not a politician. Have trust on him. Wait for some time. Let the probe be completed. You have not talked
I don't
anything
trust.
about the enforcement
I don't trust.
directorate.
Is being delivered, then there is no justice
This is
delivered.
money laundering case is there. 14 crores. It is told that 14 crores was transferred. Now also they are having in his account 4.5 crores is there. Then what's your answer? So all these things are involved. I cannot come to a conclusion. You cannot come to a conclusion. So the police has to investigate and they have to place the case to the court. The court will decide.
Come on, when a CBI probe happens.
Give us CBI probe.
Do you expect?
We cannot come to a conclusion.
Do you
We
expect
cannot write
the justice to be
judgment.
done to the family? What is your problem? Every time you create a new issue,
Definitely, justice
you are the one who
should
politicize the
prevail.
issue. It's a people's issue.
I feel the pain of a father.
Why was the
He will get, his father will get.
If you feel the
Justice
pain, then
in Mumbai
you should
itself.
say that CBI should
Don't
probe.
worry.
destroyed? Why did you
Don't.
Can I say something
Whatever
now?
probe it is, CBI, Mumbai police.
I think a court
whatever it is,
monitored.
the probe has to be fair, free and fair.
That the police comes under unnecessary suspicion, and that is where the problem lies.
I do believe that MVA government will give justice there. Why they are this thing?
The
standing
behavior
one
is
side?
very suspect.
They will stand.
See, the
I'd
right
like-
of a citizen of
I-
India is far superior. Right of a citizen of India is far
Your
superior than
government
the
is
duties
as
of the
blind
police
to
officer.
as you are.
Security to him when his
Please
father
The
understand,
asked
citizen
Mr.
of
Radhakrishnan.
India.
I'd like Ashok Chaudhary to come in.
government failed to provide him security, sir.
I'd like Mr. Ashok Chaudhary to come back to the debate.
Arnab.
Ashok Chaudhary, I want to just say one thing. See, when the Bihar government, tell me first one thing, Mr. Ashok Chaudhary, you have not made it territorial today. It's not Bihar versus Maharashtra anymore. The only matter before the court is whether it goes to the CBI or it stays with the Mumbai police. Now, that's all. One of the critical factors which the Mumbai police will examine, Supreme Court will examine, is the objectivity, the track record, and the behavior of the Mumbai police. It will be a very critical matter tomorrow before the court. Ashok Chaudhary, besides, of course, the sentiments of the family.
Arnab, You know, Arnab, I fail to understand why the Maharashtra police or Maharashtra Shiv Sena is trying to defend this, that we will do the best, we are doing the best. Why they are defending? The father of the victim, the father of Sushant is not comfortable with Maharashtra police. Who is the victim? Why everybody is arguing this?
Exactly.
Who is the victim? The father is the victim, the family is the victim. And why it's the argument that it should not go to CBI, why the Patna police is coming, why there is no territory, why this argument is going on.
There's no argument
The victim family wanted to have an investigation. They are not comfortable with the Maharashtra police. So why this is the argument that Maharashtra police is also IPS, they are also a big police. The victim family is not comfortable because 3 months before they have written to Maharashtra police. They have not done anything. And Sushant got killed. And now the father is filed an FIR. They are saying the territory is not there. अरे भाई आप उसके पिता की स्थिति तो देखिए. उसका जो आदमी परेशान है, सब कोई कह रहा है. Everybody is talking about Sushant's father.
कह रहा हूँ, बिहार पुलिस का कोई जुरिस्डिक्शन नहीं है.
सुनिए ना, आप मेरी बात सुनिए ना, हमारा आर्गुमेंट सुनिए. First you First you have my argument. You are saying for such a long time. Let me speak first. We are all sitting here and condone. No, wait. Please wait. No, please wait.
I one second. Sir, I once again tell you one thing, Mr. Jain, 1 minute. Yeah. Mr. Jain, tomorrow the Supreme Court will also know justice is not the discretion of any government. Remember, governments come and go. Remember one thing, everyone's on. Justice is not the discretion of any government. Justice is a subject of law. Allow me to complete. Allow me to complete, sir. Allow me to complete. Justice is not a right of a state government ordering now. Justice is a subject of law. Right to justice is a fundamental act. If the family is not comfortable and you are force feeding it on the family that you may not be comfortable, but these people who you don't trust will investigate, then you are denying the fundamental right of the family for justice. Justice is a fundamental right.
With the investigation,
justice is a fundamental right. Just as liberty is. Don't, sir. These are strong constitutional principles which will come to play. Sir, I want to tell you, please understand the Mumbai Police Commissioner has forgotten that the Mumbai Police is also funded by taxpayer money. The people of India have brought down the British Empire. They have brought down fascists who proposed emergency. People of India have brought down the corrupt power monoliths who had a vice-like grip on the system, and people of India will not tolerate a cover-up in the Sushant case. It's much more than just one case. It's emblematic. It's about the right to justice. I want to know which lawyer here will argue that the family does not have the right to justice.
For the Supreme Court tomorrow.
The family has every right to justice. The citizens have every right to know. The family has every right to know what exactly happened.
It should be transferred to any other state.
I thank you, viewers. I thank you, viewers. We are investigating the matter. We have a lot more coming up. I just want to say one thing, viewers. The Republic Media Network is doing this because of your support. I'll say it simply. We need more and more support. Thank you. I'll see you tomorrow. Good night and goodbye.